Are you frustrated with your LG fridge not making ice? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll walk you through simple steps to solve this common issue. First, let's check the water supply. Make sure the water line isn't kinked or blocked. Next, inspect the water filter. If it's older than 6 months or clogged, it's time for a replacement. Now let's reset the ice maker. Locate the reset button and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Still no ice? Check the freezer temperature settings. It should be at or below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Look inside the ice bin for any frozen clumps and clear them out. If the ice maker is still silent, test the motor by pressing the reset button and listening for movement. For more advanced troubleshooting, run the diagnostic mode on your LG fridge. This test can identify hidden faults. Finally, consider checking the water inlet valve. If no water flows, it might need replacing. If all else fails, it may be time for professional help. Vancouver Appliance Service Pros are here to assist with expert repairs. Remember, self-sufficiency is empowering, but expert support is just a call away. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.